Hi, Tytus LiWen from Dance in Sandy.
Today we're going to be showing you 3 easy dance lifts.
And these are going to help you be much more dynamic and exciting. And speaking of dynamic, a little later on in this video, I'm going to show you my favorite dance move, over the back.
No, we're not doing it.
Yeah, we are.
Because that's not a dance lift.
I'm going to show them over the back with you.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're not. Let's get started.
First move is the fish pose. From here, we do our oppositional warrior. Boom, she takes 2 steps. She comes in, and then she goes. Leg up, boom, there it is.
So we want to lunge away from the partner, and then we're going to roll in. So you're going to step left.
Right hand rolls around her body.
Like a little cuddle.
Yeah.
So right here, your weight is on the right leg. And you're going to shoot your left leg up. And as you do that, your left hand goes over.
We haven't even lifted yet. Now, really important. My right hand is close to her center, and my left hand is not too far down the leg. That's gonna make it easier. Now I'm gonna bend into that horse pose and then lift her up. There we go. So, just to see the wrong version, I'm not actually gonna lift her because it might be painful. From here, I take my right hand really far away from her center and my left below the knee, and I got no leverage because I'm not in the middle point. It's like trying to lift something way over here. Get underneath it. One more time. Extend away. She rolls in, wrapped up right arm, close to her center, like right on her belly button. Left hand leaders comes to her thigh, above the knee. We're gonna lift her up, boom, and we're ready to spin around. Well, let's show them the advanced one. You ready?
No. We're gonna keep it simple. Simple lifts. Tips for the followers. All right, so as you come in, from here, as soon as he releases your hand, you're gonna take your arm over, and right here, you're not gonna use your fingers. You're gonna use your forearm and your biceps. And you're gonna press down. So, shoulders press down, arm press down, as he lifts you up. Yeah, you see my hand is just a light touch. Then the other thing is the leg. So as you come in, here, as the leg comes up, there's a tendency as he holds your leg that you're gonna let the leg lift. So you will resist, you'll be the resistance here, and you'll press down as he lifts you up.
Yeah.
Okay, because we have to have oppositional energy. Science, man.
Yeah.
Okay?
I go up, she goes down.
All right, so when you come in, the tightness means that you're engaging your body. Tone, right?
Flex those muscles.
Yeah, you're squeezing your belly in, and you're squeezing your butt.
I'm tight
and
too.
your quads.
Everything's strong.
Yeah, so from
It's
here
easy.
you can lift. And point those toes. So you don't want to
Mm.
have flex feet like this. Not good. Point the toes.
Then you just elevate her down, bring her in.
Also, one more thing for the leader is that you do not want to stick your tush out when you do your horsey squat.
Not like this.
Because we want our centers to be as close together as possible. So the minute he sticks his tush out, he has no more base leverage.
Yeah, so if I'm down here, it's hard to lift. Because I'm so far away. So I gotta sit under there.
Right.
That's easy. So easy.
There you go.
It's easy, actually. Shall we get into lift number 2?
Let's go. Yeah.
The straddle, which goes like this. Easy one. Sabo. You're just gonna take a frame, and I'm gonna take a cozier frame. So this right hand is gonna give her a little hug. Oh, I love to hug her. Then this left hand's gonna be a little lower than a normal frame, so I got some leverage upwards. She's gonna take me in frame.
So actually frame around the shoulder,
Right.
as opposed to just here.
Again, we're doing some horse squat right here, and she's just gotta wrap those legs, but with a straight right leg. Bam. Now something that helps a lot, bend your knees.
Yeah.
Simultaneously.
So like a spring, right? We're both gonna go like,
Show now.
So followers, you can actually get a little bit of air time before you land on his legs.
Mucho comfortable.
Yeah.
So I go down when she goes down, she goes down when I go down, and boom. Now, one of the things that I'm doing here is as I'm bringing her around the waist, I'm actually pressing up with my left hand, and she's pressing down with the right hand. It makes it really super easy. We're gonna go pressing down.
I'm also pressing down with my arms here on his shoulder.
Here we go.
So what you don't want to do is this.
Oh!
You gotta pretend like you're zipping up. So you zip up, meaning you squeeze your legs, your thighs, so then everything is very tight.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're like a little rocket, you're about to take off.
Tight rocket.
Tight rocket.
So now we go down. Cool, easy peasy. Let's do it in the advanced version. You ready?
No.
I need to do, okay.
So here, followers, you want to squeeze your legs together around his waist. You point your toes. So you might be trying, and maybe you're not making it onto the leg. So followers, you actually need to serve as you jump. You have to circle your legs around and then catch. But when you jump from here, you're gonna open your legs, plie, open your legs, and then wrap around.
And that one goes there.
Yeah. Okay, so you're gonna take off. Your legs are your wings. So you're gonna catch some air with both legs apart. And then wrap.
Let's do that.
Okay.
Eagle legs.
Yeah, ready? And go. Plie at the same time. Catch. Nice.
I can see that probably really good.
Yeah.
In that direction. And then we spin. Yeah?
No, I spin. You don't spin. Bye.
The sexy sit pose will go like this. And whack. Whack.
This one drops the connection down. You connect the hand. And my left hand wants to stick around his back.
That's right, like
To
that.
bring him a little bit closer. For this one, instead of from a stationary position, we're gonna walk into it, okay? So you're gonna take a step forward with your right leg. You're gonna plie down, both of you, and then you're gonna swing up. Both legs go. Okay, so walking forward on the right plie, swing. Nice.
Now you may have guessed, we got all the same stuff going on with our body, which is don't be a floppy mattress, be a firm mattress. Okay, so the body's toned.
So the leader needs to use the momentum and swing it over onto his hip. If he doesn't turn his body, I'm probably gonna land pretty low on his leg. So I want my booty, left booty, onto your hip.
Whack.
Right here.
Yes.
And onto your thigh. Why?
Why?
Because we want our centers of gravity.
Close to each
Kissing,
other?
kissing.
Kissing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Besame mucho.
Yeah.
Right there. So
Okay.
the lower followers will land on his knee. The leader, you're gonna feel like she's gonna drop. And followers, you're gonna be hanging on for dear life.
Right.
Okay, so we don't want that to happen, so you want to keep it close and step.
The other thing we want to also remember is that the pressure also for leaders is going to be, especially that hand going up while she's pressing down to get leverage. So she's got down energy as I've got up energy, so that's easy to lift her with. And also here, I've got her around the waist. Let's go from this angle. And leader, I'm just shifting slightly leftward. Me. Boom. Right. And I've got her around the waist. And that left hand, leaders, is pressing upward. And we got it. We're ready to up everything. Yeah.
Easy, simple, basic lifts.
Ah.
So we just keep it as that. Hey, Tytus, tell them about my spin course.
The over the back has a spin in it. I'll tell them about the spin course if you do over the back with me. Come on.
Okay.
Boom. Okay. The over the back. Let's click it down very slowly. Okay, that was not so slow. Let me show it to you though. It's really fun and really easy. Believe it or not, pretty easy. So, just to make sure that you guys know, leaders, you're going to have a flat back. Now here's the secret. You want her in front of you here, not behind you here. If you get that wrong, it's going to be very difficult. So let me do it wrong one time so you understand. From here, she's behind my foot. Now it's really hard. If I try to throw her back, she's got nothing to land on. So keep that in your mind as we go over this. We're going to go over the actual movement. Right hand on top, left hand underneath. We're not worried about things like footwork. She's just going to spin around. Right hand over her, left hand over her, left hand over your own head, and right hand goes to her right hip. Now, I'm going to go ahead and take that left hand right there and strangle myself. That's how I like it. Then this hand is going to keep manipulating her until we are perpendicular to each other. There's the strangling. Now you see, as I said, she's in front of my right leg. In front of my right leg. So here, she's got nowhere to land. Here, she's ready. Now, I'm gonna take my right elbow, and I'm gonna basically move that way. That's gonna lead her back. Don't go very far, just a little bit. Get used to it. Then I just straighten my knees, take my left hand, I stop strangling myself on her hip, and just spin her around. And that's over the back. There's a lot you can do with that. You can probably do it in American style, smooth, rhythm, international Latin. You want to go real slow with somebody and just make sure that they're comfortable here. And you'll feel them on your back here. You'll feel the follower on your back. And you can look in the mirror and you'll be like, okay, she's on my back. She's in front of me. Double check that. Look in the mirror. She's in front of me, on the back. And you get comfortable. Those knees bending is what creates the flexibility. Spin her around, whack. There we go. Then we're ready for a layback if we want to, but we're just focusing on the back today.
Yeah.
All right.
So there are spins in this little trick right here. Right? So pencil spin. This is spinning on one foot. So when he says no footwork, because there's no footwork, you just spin on the one foot, your right foot, the whole time. See? Hey, one foot.
She's in front of me.
Right? So then you're ready to bring your left foot up as a passe, like here.
And then
so that's a nicer leg line than both feet on the floor.
It is.
Okay, so
then I straighten my knees.
And then when I come up, forward, this is the part you gotta get your center over your feet. Okay? And you feel his hands on your waist, and zoop, hand goes up into the air. Hoot, hoot, hoot. Right here, he's gonna give me a little lead for a turn, so you step left foot, turn around, you catch it around your waist.
Yeah, so that right hand is like stirring a pot right there. So that's important. You feel like you're manipulating through her hip.
Tell them about my spin course.
Introduction to spins. Get it from LiWen's.
Okay, you're fired.
I'm fired. So if you want to get your power and your balance and even more control, get your spins awesome with LiWen's Spin Course. Up level our fish pose. We're going to explode. Just going to come in and boom. Now I just bend that left knee. And she can move forward. Then we can work out. Up level and I just take her all the way back. Right there. Then bring her up. Just gonna hook that left leg and slide downtown. It's all my work, really. The sexy sit pose and up level that. Swing her all the way around and then she lands. She can spin away. I'm Tytus, and this is LiWen from...
They already know that. We're from Dance Insanity. Stop saying our names. I'm LiWen, and this is Tytus from Dance Insanity.
So you get to say it.
Yes. Tell them to subscribe.
Make sure you like the video, because when you tell them
to
like
subscribe.
they're gonna give you more of our stuff. What you're gonna do is take this video and send it to 2 people that you think will enjoy it.
And tell them to subscribe.
Also, another thing you should do,
Tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe. We look forward to seeing you
In the next video.
in the next video. We look forward.
And it really helps if he's not wearing a belt, because his belt can be poking into your leg as it is right now. And that can be very uncomfortable, which is why you squeeze him.
Yeah.
Revenge.
Our first lift is the fish. We are going to have to agree that you agree with me. So
what you don't want to do is this.
Oh, my knee, my back, my elbow, my eyeball. We go same time. She presses down as I presses up, or presses for those of you who actually speak English.
So you zip up, meaning you squeeze your legs, your thighs, core.
And your face?
Sure, very attractive. Right, because technically, actually not technically, we
metaphorically, spiritually, financially. Ow.
That's what you get.
All I'm doing is just shifting from my right leg into like a center. That's complicated.
Wow, that's impressive.
How did I do it?
I know.
I went from my right to both.
When do you play?
When do I play?
When do you bend down?
I play during ballet class.
Which is never, because never takes ballet class. So
My ballet technique is perfect. Look at
you
it.
do ballet with that face?
Yeah.
What's with that face?
You don't like my ballet
What's your
face?
ballet?
Thank you for totally screwing up everything.
Ow.
Dude, I did not kick you. You kicked yourself through me. Hey, now you leave me, so I'm gonna come under, right?
Under?
Yeah. That's it. You got
Over
me.
the back?
Alright, and then wait.
And
You got
then?
if you gotta straighten your legs, or else you can't get it up.
I know you can't.
That is not true.
Meow. This is for dinner. Big piece of ham right here. Dinner time.
Eat that leg.
Move it. Move it. Move it. This is what we call marriage.
I'm LiWen, and this is Tytus, and together we are Dance and
Insanity.